This is Bob Joyner, taking a look at the results from this morning's chat room again. This is Tuesday, March the 7th, and just going to go ahead and jump right into it and start showing you some charts. This is the first chart, it's a chart of the SPY. This is a 15-minute chart of the SPY, and I posted it to the Facebook group around 8 a.m. this morning, and also posted it, I guess it was about 8:30 actually, and then also posted it into the chat room members also. But basically what this shows is a 15-minute chart with a trend line in the green line here showing that we had price support for about the past 5 weeks, but we have since broken through that over the last day or two, and we're still above this horizontal green line of support. So far we're kind of debating back and forth in this area, and that's why I have a question mark. When the market does this sort of thing where it's fallen through one trend line but not through the lateral one there, horizontal one, then it could be a lot of chop for a period of time, but we'll see what happens. First trade of the day was TGTX. Posted this one yesterday, of course, also two different trades yesterday. The green arrow, in case you haven't been following the videos this week, the green arrow shows the point of entry, the green line here also. Got in it quickly tanked down, got just a little bit below 10 bucks, but finally found support and continued higher. As you can see, went up back up to yesterday's highs where it met some resistance eventually, but moved $1 in the right direction eventually. So that trade hit target. AUPH was a big move, posted a high probability long, and again the time signatures are over here in the far right column, but 9:37 a.m. around where the green arrow is here and where this green line is, moved up quite a bit. As you can see, it moved up eventually to 725 if you happen to stay in the trade that long. Just a huge gain. MOMO I posted as a high probability long, again at the green arrow green line. Price is 29.27. It went over 30 eventually, but hit target along the way. Next trade up was DKS. I kept debating getting into this one because I had it set up as a high probability short. Mentioned it to the chat room group in pre-market and waited too long to get in, but it still worked out. Got in at this red arrow red line here, went down over 1%, hit target, and it came back up a couple different times as I mentioned to the group, and showed possibilities for jumping into again for multiple trades if members wanted to do that. So mentioned it to the group. PRGO posted a high probability short at 10:15 this morning right here in this area. It moved down a little bit, showed profit, but never did go down to a 1% target. I had mentioned that 1% target is a stretch target because we had already come off the lows, and to hit the stretch target it would have had to have gone back, go back up, sorry about that. To hit target it would have had to go all the way back down to that low of the day, which it did not do. It showed profit a couple different times. To me personally, this is the last trade that was open when I left the chat room at 11:30 this morning. And to me personally, if you've got 5 good trades in the bank, all making profit, and one's breaking even, then to me it's okay to just step away from that one. Take a break-even trade, take a few pennies of profit, and just get out of it so you don't have to worry about it the rest of the day. But that's my personal preference. Members, of course, can do whatever they want to do. And then the last trade of the day, the IONS hit target while PRGO was still debating what it was going to do, but IONS posted a high probability short at 10:39 at the red arrow red line, moved below 47, so moved about 3% or so down by the end of the day, almost to 4% by the end of the day. So all good trades there, all a very good day. So in case you haven't been following me this week, you can have more information about the chat room at bobjoyner.com. That's me, picture me there. And just information about the chat room is there. Also, all 5 videos will be posted there in just a few minutes. The previous 4 ones are already posted there, but today's video will also be posted there on that site, so that you can go, and if you want to go back and review the past 5 days and look at the probabilities of success for 5 straight days running, you can do that. I will not be doing a video recap tomorrow, but on Thursday, so we'll skip a day, and then Thursday on this site, bobjoyner.com, I'm going to be having a special offer. It's a limited time offer, very limited time, so be sure you check it out. Thursday night or Friday, sometime around there, be sure you check out the site and see what's happening. I think you'll be glad that you did. Hope your trading went well today, and I'll talk to you later.